In today's video, we will show you how to set signatures for Google Workspace organizational units and domains with Sign.UseWise. After logging into Sign.UseWise, go to the Organizational Units page. Find an organizational unit for which you want to set signature and choose the template from the drop-down list. Click on Change User if you want to preview signature for a specific user. Select Set Signature to complete the action. To set signatures for an entire domain, go to Domains page and select one of the domains. Choose the template from the drop-down list. And select Set Signature. You have successfully set signatures for all users on this domain. In the following video, we will talk more about Sign.UseWise Domain Health Check feature. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest videos on UseWise channel.